Look what I found on my trampoline. A bird. Oh, look. He's not scared either. Look, I can hold him. Sup, dudes? Yeah. Gotta love a bird. Look at this. Oh. This bird is fire. So, I found him on my trampoline, and I think this wing's broken and one of his legs are broken because he doesn't really move. See? Look. He can't stand up. And this wing is always, look at that one, and look at that one. See, look, this one different. See, and he rolls. Do you like him? Should I ask my mom if I can keep him? Because I don't know. Should I get a pet bird? Should I? I can subscribe if I should keep him. Yeah. So, we'll do like another minute. So, yeah, look at this. This thing is like, look, he's fine. He's fine with it. He's fine with it. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Okay. Before, when I first found him, he was trying to bite me. God, he bit me and it hurt. You want to see some cool pics? Hold on, I gotta sit you down for a minute. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Guava. He'll open his wings and then I'll open my fingers so it doesn't hurt his wing. It looks sick, huh? So I think I'm gonna end it here. Bye. Say bye. Tweet, tweet.